Hello children. Today I am going to discuss with you vocabulary questions that appear in your practice paper. In your G.C.E O-level paper, there are 3 questions on vocabulary, question number 2, 3 and 9. For each question, you will get 5 marks. That means 15 marks together. G.C.E O-level ප්‍රශ්න පත්‍රයේ vocabulary ප්‍රශ්න 3 පිළිතුරු ලියන්න, ඒ වගේම පිළිතුරු හොයාගන්න පහසුම ප්‍රශ්න 3ක්. ඒ නිසා ලකුණු ගන්න පුළුවන් අවස්ථාව මගහැර ගන්න එපා. First, let's look at the instructions. Match the following items with the places given below. Write the letter of the item in the box provided. The first one is done for you. පළමුවෙන්ම දී ඇති උපදෙස් කියවන්න. පළවෙනි ප්‍රශ්නයට පිළිතුරු දී ඇති නිසා පිළිතුරු ලිවිය යුත්තේ කෙසේදයි ඔබට තේරුම් ගන්න පුළුවන්. So here, what do you have to do? You have to write the letter of the item in the box provided. Now let's go to the question. There are items and places. Now first, let's look at the items. A set of color pencils, a bottle of fresh milk, a packet of cotton wool, a kilo of sugar, a cotton shirt, a telegram form. And let's look at the places. Milk bar, post office, bookshop, textile shop, pharmacy and grocery. Right. Now this is the question you have to answer. ප්‍රශ්නේ ඇති සියලුම වචනවල තේරුම නොදැන හිටියත් ඔබට පුළුවන් ඔබ දන්නා වචනවල උදව්වෙන් පිළිතුරු හොයාගන්න. ඒ කියන්නේ guess කරන්න. Now let's look at the question and the answers. A set of color pencils. Color pencils. From where can you buy color pencils? Now the next one, milk. The word milk is there, and in the answers also the word milk is there. So it is easy for you to guess the answer. And shirt. Cotton කියන වචනේ තේරුම නොදැන හිටියත් shirt. Shirt එකක් ගන්න කොහෙන්ද කියන එක ඔයගලන්ට guess කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Pharmacy. And cotton wool. So these are very easy questions. You try to guess the answers from the words that you know. Now the next question, question number 9 from paper 2. Here there are 4 questions and 10 blanks. There are 4 questions and 10 blanks. So let's read one by one. First question. First, let's see to which word class these words belong to. Organization, organize, organizer, organizing and organized. Organization, it's a noun. Organize, it's a verb. Organized, it can be past tense and also it can be past participle. Organizer, it's a noun. Okay, now let's look at the questions. The welfare society of our school organized a blood donation camp last week. So from this word last week, we know it's past tense. So the answer should be organized. Past tense වචන එකයි මේ ලිස්ට් එකේ තියෙන්නේ. Last week past tense හින්දා අපි දන්නවා උත්තරේ organized කියලා. Next one. You must learn to blank your work in order to save time. So what can be the answer? You must learn to blank your work. What is it? Organize. You must learn to organize your work in order to save time. Next one. UNESCO is an which helps children all over the world. UNESCO is, what is it? It's a noun. UNESCO is an organization which helps children all over the world. Now the next part. There also you have 4 answers. You have to select 2 and write in the correct blank. Examination, examine, exams, examined. Examination is a noun. Exams, it's a noun because and it's a plural noun. Examine is a verb and examined, it's a past tense. Now let's look at the first question. IELTS is a well organized which tests all 4 skills. IELTS is a well organized examination. Look at the next one. The doctor blank the wound and prescribed some medicine. You can guess the answer from this word. Prescribed. It is past tense. So what can be the answer? Here it is past tense. So the answer also should be past tense. Examined. The doctor examined the wound and prescribed some medicines. The next one. Water, watering, waters, watered. Water, it can be a noun and it can be adjective also. Watering, watering, it's adjective and it can be present continuous verb too. And waters, waters, it's third person present. And watered, it can be a verb and past tense word too. So let's look at the question. Lotus is a beautiful plant. What kind of plant is it? It's a water plant. Now look at the next one. Situmi and every morning. It's a habitual action. So situmi is singular. What can be the answer? නාම පදේ ඒකවචන නම් ක්‍රියාපදයකට මොකක්ද වෙන්න ඕනේ? Can you guess the answer? It is waters. Situmi waters the flower beds every morning. So because Situmi is singular, it is easy for you to guess the answer. Now let's go to the next one. Possible, possibility, impossible, possibilities and possibly. Possible, it's an adjective, and possibility and possibilities, they are nouns, and possibly it's an adjective. Shall we look at the first question? There were that they might change the plan. There were. Here it's plural. Can you see a plural noun or a verb there? Or something plural? Possibilities. There were possibilities that they might change the plan. The next one. The teacher asked us to come up with other blank answers. So, here we have to write an adjective. What type of answers? Possible answers. The next one. The team practiced very hard, so they win the match. What can be the answer there? The team practiced very hard, so they possibly win the match. Possibly, it's an adjective there. Now, I hope that you have answered all the questions and you are able to answer the questions. Now, let's look at the whole question again. The Welfare Society of our school organized a blood donation camp last week. You must learn to organize your work in order to save time. UNESCO is an organization which helps children all over the world. IELTS is a well-organized examination which tests all 4 skills. The doctor examined the wound and prescribed some medicines. Lotus is a beautiful water plant in Sri Lanka. Situmi waters the flower beds every morning. There were possibilities that they might change the plan. The teacher asked us to come up with other possible answers. The team practiced very hard, so they possibly win the match. Okay, children, that is the end of my lesson. I wish you good luck in your exam. Have a nice day.